The big question that has been on many people's minds for the last few weeks is Rhea Chakravarti a victim or a villain? With the actor in jail now, a fierce war of words has erupted between Sushant Singh Rajput's ex-girlfriend Ankita Lokhande and Rhea's best friend Shibani Dandekar. Here's how that's playing out.
Rhea Chakrabarti, who has been accused of abetting Sushant Singh Rajput's suicide by his family, was arrested by the Narcotics Control Bureau in a drugs case linked to the late actor's death. And the war of words between people who support Rhea and those who are questioning her role in Sushant's untimely demise continues. Ankita Lokhande, who met Sushant on the sets of the TV show Pavitra Rishta and dated him till 2016, had posted justice on a Twitter wall after Rhea's arrest. Ankita also wrote a long letter addressing her so-called haters and wrote that since Rhea was the closest person to Sushant, she should not have let him consume drugs. The actor said that on one hand, Chakrabarti was coordinating with Rajput's doctor regarding his health issues, but on the other hand, she was also coordinating drug logistics for him. And we further quote Ankita Lokhande. Would anyone who claims to have loved someone so deeply allow the other person to consume drugs, claiming to know his mental state and condition? Would you do that? I don't think anyone would. So how can it not be seen as an act of carelessness and irresponsibility? Meanwhile, Shibani Dandekar, who is one of Rhea's closest friends, lashed out at Ankita for writing such a grotesque letter and claimed that she had played a major role in vilifying Rhea. She wrote, and we quote, "The princess of patriarchy has clearly never dealt with her relationship issues with Sushant. She obviously wants her 2 seconds of fame and has got it by targeting Rhea and playing a major role in this witch hunt. Rather than recognizing the system of patriarchy, women like Ankita have jumped on the bandwagon and used it to advance their own agenda, destroying centuries of work. What you need to accept, Ankita, is this: Sushant loved Rhea, period. Before you write a letter to your haters, please note that no one has more hate in their heart than you." An avid supporter of the Justice for SSR campaign, Ankita had also opened up about her personal reasons to stand with the late actor's family. She also wrote that many people had called her names, but she never responded to anything. Ankita, in an exclusive interview with India Today, maintained that Sushant could not have been depressed and she would never have left him if she was in Rhea's place.
One thing I'm very sure of, that depression is something which was, it's impossible for me. Very impossible.
So it's impossible for you to believe that he was depressed?
Definitely she left. And agar aapko pata hai ki he was not well, because if you say so, then why would you leave somebody like that? Aapko fir ya to aapko parents ko batana chahiye that agar main hoti to main ye karti. Nobody say.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.